So this is part 2 of the video, and we are talking about comparative adjectives. Here we have 3 adjectives. They all have one vowel sound each, or one syllable. Tall, one syllable, one vowel sound. Strong, one syllable, that's one vowel sound. Good, one syllable, one vowel sound. And we said that when adjectives have one syllable like that, we would put er at the end like so when we are comparing, like to say this tree is tall, but this one is taller. Here we have 2 animals, a buffalo and a lion. So the buffalo is strong, it's strong, but the lion is stronger. They all have er at the end because they all have one syllable. But when it comes to this adjective, good, even if it has one syllable, it does not follow this rule. So you won't say the burger is good, but the food is gooder, because this does not follow this rule. So the comparative adjective for good is better. The burger is good, but this food is better. So tall, taller. Strong, stronger. Good becomes better comparative adjective. And this is the end of this video.